Holy crap. This is to the southwest. Holy cow. Yeah. There was just 2 different tornado sirens that went off. Wow. Jeez. Yeah, this isn't a good spot for me to be standing. Wow. Look at that. Holy shit. That's incredible looking. Wow, this is coming right towards us. Jeepers, creepers. It's like I should be in where I'm safe, and this is something I want to look at the same time. Look at that. The last time I saw something like that, it was a really bad storm.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it feels like that one took my bike up when I was driving.
Yeah, right. Isn't that wild? That is wild.